Hello, my name is Brian Freestead, and this is my game dev live stream. It's another short update video. I think this is the format I'm moving towards, where I do some development for a while, and then I do a shorter 5 to 15 minute update video and kind of explain the work that I went through. It's a little less stressful for me, and I think I'm getting more progress done on my game, which is what I really care about. Okay, so I started by going through my the tech demo feature and breaking it down into some stories. And so I have things like design a level, find a way to use crumbling platforms, moving platforms, observer door, button, treasure chest, chrono box, have enemies to attack, have a kill zone. Basically all the things that I've worked on so far, as well as things like test the demo a handful of times. Build the demo into a releasable, upload the demo to itch.io, and share a link to the demo. So these are all the things that I want to accomplish this week. And so I'd already done a bit of designing what I thought would be cool to have in the tech demo. Very high level, I've got this. Let's see if this will even show here. So I drew this thing on paper. Basically, it's a bunch of different sections of platformer, and you jump around, and there's different things to interact with. There's like crumbling platforms, there's timers and doors, and a couple of puzzles, and a couple of enemies, and the chrono box, and all that stuff that I worked on. Let's see. Hello, MW2 Melvin's dad. Thanks for joining. Yes, I did get my taxes done. I got them done on Saturday, and they were immediately denied. Had to resubmit them. The tool that I used gave me the wrong AGI. I should have trusted the one that I had in the documents I had saved, but they were like, "Oh, you want to make sure to have the right number. This is a really serious thing. Here, just use the one that we pre-filled into this field." I'm like, okay, I guess. I don't know why theirs was wrong. It's kind of weird, but whatever. You got approved the second time. So I tonight have been sort of building out my little tech demo scene, and I can sort of show it off. So here we have it. There's a base platform here with a chrono box on it, a platform to jump over to here. There's a couple double buttons and some doors here, and then a chest inside of there. So there's going to be a puzzle here. There's also going to be a platform on a track here. It's going to move back and forth. That'll be kind of fun. And then there's like a jumping thing here. You got to jump across over to here. And then I plan to have a couple enemies here, some more stuff. 3 doors this time, 1 button. That's interesting. And then I've got a couple of crumbling platforms here, and another door with a chest. So there's 3 separate chests around, and then the chrono box here. And yeah, that's my tech demo so far. Nothing super crazy. I had to make these 2 new scenes. I made a copy of the main scene and made it for the tech demo. And I've got a few things I gotta fix up, so like the camera doesn't follow the player, the background here doesn't follow the player, so it's like, looks fine if the camera doesn't move. But if the camera moves, then, well, the background doesn't look right. I've got a folder here with all the different ground things. There's like 100 of them in here. A few treasure chests, doors, and buttons all sitting around here. So, I had to fix up a couple of things, like, for example, this crumbling ground. I hadn't opened it in a while, and since I resized the sprite, I had not yet resized this box collider, so I had to fix that. This button had a bunch of things preset into all of the the fields, so that would have been wrong if I had it for all the buttons. This one was not working if the button events were null, so I fixed that up. Had to adjust the build settings. Yep, that's what I've been working on. So I've I think I've kind of designed the level. So I'll pick this up tomorrow. Gonna work on some more things. Let's call this first cut at a tech demo scene. There will be some other things for me to fix up, like I'm gonna open this up and you look at this. Like, these guys are not on the correct the render object's not on the correct sorting layer, so it got hidden behind the sky. Same with the buttons. The buttons are also going to be on the wrong layer because I don't have a layer for buttons. But like the crumbling ground, I can open this up and go to the render object and choose ground here. So beyond just like placing all the prefabs I've already made, I'm going to have to write a couple of scripts for this specific tech demo scene for some of the things I want to do. So I want to have like a trigger here. So there's like going to be one enemy here. And then when you hit this trigger, a second one spawns and it falls on your left. So you're like trapped between the two enemies. And I've got to write special scripts for the puzzles I want to do here. Yeah. And then I might want to make some sort of locked door thing where it's like you gotta go to get one item from each of the chests in the chrono box, and once you do that, then you can unlock something at the end here. I don't know. Okay. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you found this interesting. If you're looking forward to playing the tech demo at the end of this week, go ahead and leave a comment or a like on the YouTube video. As always, have a nice night.